Welcome. Okay, I'm going to meet Attorney Batas because we're going to have a meeting about me being a host of one of his TV programs. So it's going to be a noontime TV program. So I'm going to finalize the deal with him because tomorrow I'm going to launch my Better Go Better Philippines for radio. So if we can actually finalize the deal tonight, I'm going to put the launching for both, okay, for the radio and for the TV at the same time. It's going to be a big night tomorrow. Because I invited a lot of TV press people, and it's going to be a big time. I think they just finished the Rotary meeting of Attorney Batas, so we have to wait for him. But it's just the right timing anyway, because of course, you know, while they're having their meeting, so I cannot be there unless they're finished already. So I have to wait till they're finished, and that's going to be my time to go and talk with them. Alright, according to the security, the box right there, we are ready to go. Thank you. And here are my Better Well stuffs right there. We're looking for Attorney Batas po. Oh, not here? Oh, okay. Am I at the right place then? Oh, okay. Yes, about his proposal. I don't know. He wants me to be a host of one of his TV programs. So I said, okay, why don't we just do it right away? Because tomorrow I'm gonna have my launching also of my DWBL radio program.
You're into radio?
Yeah, that's right. Because environmentalist ako. Yes,
environment kayo?
Environment ako. And of course, I'm also connected with the Rotary Club Manila Circle 3810. So one of my projects is, you know, tree planting with them also. So I'm connected with them. And at the same time, I have my own Mystical Charity Foundation also. So it's one of the NGOs now supporting Rotarians.
So you're launching a new program tomorrow?
Yes.
The owner of this place is Mr. Cesar.
Yes, how are you, sir? You're invited tomorrow, by the way, because I'm going to be having a lot of TV crews who are coming because I'm going to be having this as a big launching also. Mystica po.
Yes,
see? Nakikipag-shake yan kayo sa akin, tapos you don't know pala ang Mystica. Pero, of course, the Mystica before, it's different.
You're different now?
Oo, kasi nag-i-split yun eh.
What was the Mystica before?
Kasi alam niyo naman na Mystica before, walang hindi naman kundi naughty, singer, nag-i-split, puro controversials, mga ganun kinakasangkutan, ganun. Sabi ko, no, I'm not into that anymore, graduated na ako dyan. I want to do something else.
Oh, that's good.
Ay sabi nila, kasi when I came from the States, sabi nila, magpasabog ko nga ulit kung ano yung sabi ko. Ako, sinong nakinabang kayo, mga showbiz people, ako hindi. Of course, di ba? In every controversy na sila mismong gumagawa na para ma-elita ako, alam mo naman ako di ba? In every, sige, palabalak, sige, okay, showtime, di ba?
I remember your house full of pink color or what? It was published in the magazine, I don't know.
Yellow po.
Yellow ba yun?
Ice cream. But that was in Quezon City, but I live in Las Piñas right now, BF Resort. So you are invited tomorrow.
Where is that?
Las Piñas po, BF Resort, Talia 500.
What time is it?
7 p.m. po.
Okay.
Yes, sige, ano natin kasi...
I live in BFO.
Talaga po? Ayun pala, sige. Parang meron din ako mga ibang Rotarians. Kasi mga Christians, mga pastors, mga Rotarians ang mga ano ko rin. Kasi... kaya nga akala ko nandito na si attorney kasi... Papunta na siya, okay.
She actually guested in our club, but that was the time I was absent. That's why I didn't know.
Come on, take a seat.
You're also District 3810.
You belong to the district. Okay. Kasi I went to Intramuros one time. I was invited with my boss.
That's right.
Talaga? So we presented Better Globe. with my boss. My boss is from Kenya, so he was here at that moment. And then the following day, that's when we launched with the Rotarians yung Better Globe, Better Philippines natin.
Who is in charge of our environment program in our district?
For Ernie,
For Ernie.
I think it's Marilar.
Ah, Marilar!
Tapos, District Governor Tranquil Salvador was with us also during our tree planting din sa Muntinlupa with Mayor Lim. So, Better Globe just donated 1,000 euros also to support them para sa kanilang tree planting. So, talagang we are supporting yung projects din nila about the environment.
Batas is one person when he was president during our time.
Sino po?
Batas.
Attorney Batas.
Planted
Okay.
actually more than 1 million trees.
Talaga? So, that's good.
So Batas is into it, or was into it. You know, our club, he was president at the time, and he initiated the 1 million trees, and we were able to plant trees right in that La Mesa Gap.
When you're talking to our past governor,
Oh!
past
It's an
governor
honor.
Lynn Abanilla.
Ay,
When did you join Rotary? Manila Circle.
hindi lang po. Kailan ba sila nagkaroon ng launching? Last month, 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago.
Your president is Rolly?
Rolly Pagaspas po.
And beside
Yes.
you is Cesar. Cesar is a past president and has been officer for many years.
Really? Wow.
The district, and he is running for governor.
I'm running for governor.
Oh my gosh.
Sabihin mo na lang sa club mo.
That's
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
Attorney.
Alam, nandito ka.
Eto po, i-interview na po ako dito. Kala nila kakanta ako dito.
Kasi I remember,
Wapo mo ngayon.
I was absent when she guested our class.
She sang very beautifully. Hi,
Kaya
classmate.
nga sabi ko kay
Ayaw
Attorney.
kong lumapit sa'yo, pero camera.
Attorney, I'm already inviting them for tomorrow for the launching.
Wow, bilis mo.
Kasi Attorney, I have invited a lot of TV crews tomorrow. So, since maglo-launch na ako ng radio program, sabay na natin para iisang
Mas pwede ko ba siyang kausapin muna? 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Ma-pre-empt ko yun.
Ma-pre-empt.
Okay,
Sayang kasi yung
Alright.
yung chance na andyan na lahat yung mga
Okay. Ganito yan. Trying to pull it up and ang magiging pangalan niya is Batas Media.
Okay.
Pinoy Patriots. Batas
Pinoy
Media.
Patriots. Pinoy Patriots. Ang galing!
Why?
Very nice.
You have
Very
something?
nice. Huh?
You have something
No,
about
that
the
sounds
name?
good. Patriots is good.
Okay, so
Right.
Batas Media, Pinoy Patriots TV.
Okay.
Mahabang istorya, marami akong kukwento sa iyo, marami akong but the real thing I want to get from you now is, are you committed for a daily program or ano ba to? Anong araw ang gusto mo or Mondays to Fridays? Kaya mo ba Mondays to Fridays?
Isa 1 hour lang naman yan.
Yes,
diba?
1 hour a day.
1 hour and noon
1
time
hour a
show,
day.
di ba?
Yes.
Of course, I'll be committed. I can always put it like, for example, if I'm gonna have some presentations, I can always put it like after that or whatever. So, at least pag noon time, kasi usually naman po, pag nagpapa-sked ako, in the afternoon. So, pwede.
No.
Kasi,
I think I'm giving you yung 10 to 11, I think.
oh yun, mas maganda pa, para at least meron yung time talaga in the afternoon na para sa mga iba't ibang
Yeah.
sketch ko.
Anong kulay mo sa politika?
Wala pa akong kulay. Ano po ba kayo? Wala ako.
Good.
I'm not
Kasi
into politics. Neutral po ako eh. Kayo po?
ang
Revelation.
Ano, sa isa itong telepono? Hindi sa opisina. Sige, sorry. Shout.
A revelation, no?
Hindi, the reason why I'm asking is,
Aba.
ang one of the major partners here is, but
Okay.
you're not supposed to say that yet.
Alright, sure. I can keep my mouth shut.
Basically, the program, all the programs are positive.
Okay.
And what we want you to do is, Uy, patignan nga yung aking ano. Hindi ko pala nadala yung kapatid, yung mga programa sa television. Paki-ring nga doon kay Judge sa taas. At meron bang ano dyan, Sun Cellular? Wala na bang ibang Sun dyan? Sige, pakiano mo nga. Ha? Okay, sige. Ngayon na. Kailangan kong... Aray ko. Bata ko. Hello? Super ka.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
of course.
kausap ko si Miss Mystica.
Sa buong para magkasaluhan
Kaya lang
kayo.
yung problema ko, yung schedule ko, hindi ko pala nakuha. Sandali. May landline ba kayo dyan, kapatid? Meron? Saan? Yan. O, tatawag ko sa landline. Sandali, kapatid, ha?
Okay.
Kunin ko lang yung eksaktong oras.
Sige po. Yung maganda yung meron nakatutok na pag ganon.
Ano na lang, dalawa kayo.
Ah?
Siya ang nakatutok sa'yo, ganon.
Ganon.
Kasi
Okay.
hindi naman isa-isang tao.
Sa bagay. So, isa
Ako yung
nakatutok sa ating
wide.
dalawa.
Oo.
And then, nakatutok yan sa akin. O, di umupo ka na lang para
Teka.
umupo ka na lang.
Tsaka,
Diba?
Jason, kaya nga may wide saka na zoom, huwag mo nang ilapit. Kahit nandun ka sa sulok, pwede mong
Hindi.
palapitin.
Okay, kinukuha yung,
Yung boses.
Kasi wala tayong lapel
Oo.
So, okay lang yung ginagawa niya. Okay, para mas malapit. Kasi kung ikaw, malapit din dapat. Kasi kung hindi naririnig kuya, useless, hindi ko magamit. Kailangan talaga nakatutok yung sa boses.
Anong oras yun?
Alright, it looks like this gonna be a noontime everyday show from Monday to Fridays. So it's nice actually. It's about being a Filipino patriot. So I'm one of those Filipino patriots. So I'm sure that this actually is suited to me. And as a host of this project, I'm sure that I'm going to be interviewing a lot of politicians, a lot of business people, a lot of real Filipinos. Not necessarily
Alright,
politicians.
I think the program is from 10 to 11 every
10 to
day.
11, okay.
Mondays to Fridays.
Okay.
You're supposed to, you're the host, okay?
Yes, okay.
So I give you absolute freedom as to what you do with the show.
Okay.
But basically, the show is concerned with public service.
Okay, yes.
We have to help our people
Yes.
connect with agencies like SSS, GSIS,
Okay pa.
yung mga service agencies.
Right. And pwede ko na rin isingit po yung Better Club dahil
Of course,
sa public
of
service
course.
din naman with my Mystica Charity
Of
Foundation.
course, no problem.
Good.
We will allow you to do that, and
Okay.
we will allow you to advertise
Yes,
your concerns. But
Okay,
I know that you know naman the parameters of
Yes.
broadcasting your own business concerns
Of
on a
course.
public TV like
Oh, yes,
this.
yes.
This is actually an internet-based cable
Yes.
television. Yung internet natin, by the grace of God, ilalabas na siya sa cable TV.
Oh,
Yeah, and
That's good.
ang target date is April 6. Okay?
Oh, great.
May meeting kami bukas ng mga partners. So, matapos ang meeting na yun, I will ask that lahat ng hosts na na-invite ko na will come at magkakaroon ng meeting sa lahat, ng general meeting. And then we'll also conduct our own press conference. By now,
Pero pwede mag-isingit bukas
Yes,
na
by now you can already announce. Yes.
Great.
Yes,
And
by
you can
now-
also come tomorrow with your, pwede po?
bukas yung meeting.
I got
Ng mga
night po.
financials.
At night?
Yeah, we're to
Hindi kayo pwede
start at
makahapon?
7 in the evening. Siguro, matatapos yung meeting namin alas 12 ng gabi.
Sakit naman. Sayang,
Well,
dami
it's
naman
alright.
akong invited.
It's alright.
Pero I can actually mention them.
Mention it already. That,
Pero,
sabihin mo, I have been offered a
Okay.
daily program in Batas Media, Pinoy Patriots TV.
Yun. At least, dyan ko na lang kunin kung ano yung mga details.
Yes, Batas Media, Pinoy Patriots TV.
Okay.
And a daily program that will link our people with the service agencies like SSS, GSIS,
Okay, pa.
and everything. It's
Okay.
going to be on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays.
Mondays to Fridays.
Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Salamat
po.
sa Diyos.
And that's gonna be at your office, the same place where
No,
we've
no,
been before?
no.
Saan po?
Baka mag-opisina tayo sa Makati
Talaga?
or sa Global. Okay?
Alright, great.
Yes, great.
So, to
The
be followed
studios.
na lang kung ano yung
By
locations
the
and
grace of God.
everything.
You,
Great.
you please pray, ha?
Oh,
And,
sure.
nakikita
Alam
ko
mo
yung
naman tayo
mga
ngayon
healing
eh.
power mo. And so,
Alam mo naman po tayo eh.
okay? Salamat.